Good morning, Emma. You're awake early today.
Good morning, Dad. I saw you in the garden from my window.
I like starting my day here. The garden feels peaceful in the morning.
It really does. The air smells fresh after the rain. The garden looks beautiful. When did the tomatoes start growing?
Just a few days ago. They grow quickly when the weather is warm.
Can I help you with something?
Of course, I would appreciate that.
Great. What should I do first?
Take this watering can and water the plants gently.
Okay. This is actually relaxing.
That's one reason I enjoy gardening. It clears the mind.
Dad, I see some small plants here. Are these flowers?
No, those are weeds.
So we should remove them?
Exactly. Pull them out carefully from the roots.
Wow, this one is harder to pull than I expected.
Gardening teaches patience.
Thanks, Dad. I didn't know gardening needs so much care.
Every plant needs attention, just like people do. Exactly. Pull them out carefully from the roots.
I believe that now.
You're doing a good job.
Did you plant all of these flowers?
Not all of them.
Who helped you?
Your grandfather used to work in this garden with me.
What did he usually plant?
Tomatoes, roses, and sometimes sunflowers.
I wish I could have gardened with him.
I'm sure he would have loved that.
Maybe we can plant something new today.
That's a wonderful idea.
Where should we plant them?
Right here, where the sunlight is strong.
What about sunflowers?
Perfect choice. Sunflowers always make the garden brighter.
Today was fun. I didn't expect gardening to be this enjoyable.
Sometimes the simplest activities bring the most happiness.
I'm glad I woke up early today.
Working together makes it special.
Next weekend, can we plant more flowers?
Of course, the garden always welcomes helping hands.
Then I will be your gardening partner from now on.
I would be very happy about that.